What is up, guys? It's your boy, Griffin Crown Hockey, back at it again. Well, not really back at it again, but it's my first video right now. So, today we'll be doing a What's Inside My Hockey Bag for the start of the summer 2019 season. So, let's get into it. So, I'm going to open up the bag, grab it first, then I see. So, this is just a bag of things I keep before games. That, like, I have a jump rope in here to get warmed up. Some tape, water bottle, and a water bottle. Next up, let's just do shoulder pads. I just threw everything in here. So these are my Bauer Vapor X800 light shoulder pads. I was gonna get the 1X light, but I had this big thing I didn't really like, but I really like these. Super comfortable, super light. It's like you don't even feel them when you're out there skating. Next, let's just go with elbow pads. Elbow pads, I have these Bauer Vapor X60s, super old. I think I probably should get new ones, but I really like these elbow pads. They fit really nice, really good. Next up, let's just go with my backup pair of gloves. These are the Bauer X800 Vapors. These are good, but I don't know, man. They're cheaper. They're pretty cheap. But yeah, they got holes in them. So these are just my backups. They're my old pair. Just got some socks, my jersey from last year, some socks. Next up, let's go with breezers. These are my CCM JetSpeed FT370 breezers. See, I really like these breezers. And they're just really comfortable and they just feel really nice and light. Next up, let's go with shin pads here. These are the Bauer Vapor 1X light shin pads. I love these shin pads. They're so light. They feel so comfortable on you and they're amazing. I really like them. Next up is my jog strap. Just a skate towel that was yellow, then I put it in the wash and it got gray. So here are my game gloves. Bauer Vapor X or 1X lights. Really love these gloves. They're so good. And they just work so well. And they're really good, they're really light. I highly recommend these. So this is my helmet that I'm going to be currently using from now on, my new helmet. It's got something loose in it, I have no clue why. That's one of these. It's just a Bauer React 95 helmet. Really like it. It's got a Oreo cage on it, you see black on the outside, white on the inside. The white's supposed to help you see the ice better. Really like it. This, and my mouth guards. This is the one I use. So yeah. Then I have a skate mat. It's got my last name on it and my winter team's logo on it. Lastly, these are my helmets I used this winter. I had a pink Nike skull cap that I have had forever. And yeah. And then I had this Warrior Crown PX3 helmet. Really liked this helmet, but I mean it was too big. So I had to wear the skull cap even and it helped get the hair out of my way. Yeah, with a Crown 2.0 face mask. Yeah, I really like this helmet. So now let me just get into this compartment before we get to the last compartment. And it sticks. I have extra end cap to a stick. Those things to take your blades out. Break the blade. Neck guard and something to help your skates tie faster. Don't know how it works. Neck guard never used. Then hardware for my helmet. Laces. more laces for that compartment. Finally, last thing is my actual bag itself. My skates. Bauer Vapor X700s. Just got these. Okay, so I got these black laces when I bought the skates. They were way too long, like way too long. But I had these on my old skates, Bauer Supreme S170s, and so but they're on my skates, and they fit perfectly. They're really old, even though it looks really bad. Yeah, it just works. I really like it. And yeah. Oh, and then lastly, my sticks I bring to games and practices. This is my backup stick, Bauer Supreme 1S. KMP88 Grip Tack Junior Flex, or 40 Flex, Y5. And then this is my game stick, Bauer Supreme P88 Cane 50 Flex Y6. I'll use this, but to tournaments I bring my third stick, which this year was only way out of town tournaments where it's there's no chance, if I break a stick I can't go back home and get one. I bring a CCM Tax 3052, I think, or something like that. It's like 60 something flex, and it's a P46 Landeskog. No idea. So that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, peace.